Ie, oedd hi'n haf a hanner i Frankie Jones yn Glasgow gyda medalau arian yn yr hwp, y bêl, y clwb ac air yn y rhuban yn ogystal â medalau arian fel rhan o dîm Cymru ac yn unigol am ei chanlyniad ar draws y holl gystadleuaeth. Ac i'r gyroni'r cyfan, caslodd Frankie wobr David Gibson am ei chyfraniad anhygoel i'r gemau. Tipyn o haf i'n seren ni, Frankie Jones.
A great summer, as Geraint said there. Great memories, I'm sure, Frankie.
Yeah, the photo at the last one always makes me laugh because I was pulling faces at my coach and it's just, I regret it now because it's got such a funny photo of me.
The success, of course, in the games, you knew what was coming. How much of a surprise was it at the end to be named, well, the athlete of the games, the David Dixon Awards?
Yeah, I had no idea for that one at all. It was complete shock and I only found out a little bit before, so I was just like, oh, really? Okay, I've got to stand on the stage. And it's a very big arena there. So.
At least you had a bit of a warning.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Rhian, fel prif weithredwr Gymnastig Cymru, mae'r llwyddiant na, siarad yn, faint o hwb mae wedi bod eich swydd chi i bopeth o ran gymnastig yng Nghymru?
Oedd llynedd yn gwbl anhygoel ar bob lefel. Hynny ydy y canlyniadau yn gemer gymanwla, 10 medal, y rhan fwyaf ohonyn nhw wrth gwrs i Frankie, ond hefyd mae hynny wedi dod â chanlyniadau gwych o ran y diddordeb mewn gymnastig. Dros y 2 flynedd diwetha, mae'n aelodaeth ni wedi cynyddu 10,000. Hynny ydy, a mae'r rheina'n bobl sy'n gwneud gymnastig yn rheoledd. Ar ben hynny, mae'r plant sydd eisiau just wneud gymnastig ar ôl ysgol neu mewn canolfannau hamdden. Mae hwnna hefyd ar gynnydd enfawr. Felly mae'r diddordeb, mae'r ffaith bod ni rwan yn cael mwy a mwy o blant a diddordeb merched yn enwedig wrth gwrs gyda gymnastig, gyda role model fel Frankie. Mae jyst i bod yn flwyddyn wych i ni.
It's that word, role model. Again, did you ever think you'd end up being a role model?
For sure not, but bit of a responsibility now. So.
Are you enjoying it? Are you enjoying the responsibility?
Yeah, it is so lovely to see all the girls and boys kind of coming up to me and being inspired by what we've done, the whole team. Like, it's really nice to see them getting more excited about sport.
Rhian was talking about the interest in the sport. It's erupting at the minute. All the clubs are busy. Are you seeing that yourself as well?
Yeah, definitely. Like, every club you go to, it's just so many girls and kind of waiting lists and everything. So it's like really amazing to have such an interest in the sport and get so many young children kind of fit and active.
Going to Glasgow, you're now retired, of course, from competing. Quite a way to finish your career as an athlete, as a gymnast. Did you know that was going to be the end? Did you know you was coming to an end in Glasgow beforehand? Yeah,
that was kind of my last one. And 2 years before, I wasn't sure if I'd be able to continue because I had an operation on my hip and it was quite a big thing to get over. But I got persuaded and obviously it was a very good decision. I'm so glad that I stayed for the last 2 years and it was always the plan to stop then and it was perfect ending for me.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm going to embarrass you now because I'm going to ask Rhian what kind of role model you are and pa fath o waith mae Frankie yn neud i chi?
Yn gwbl wych, hynny ydy, mae'n hyfforddi hunan i fod yn hyfforddwraig a felly'n hyfforddi yn swyddogol. Ar ben hynny, mae'n neud lot o waith mentora ar gyfer hyfforddwyr ag ar gyfer plant. Mae jyst cael Frankie i mewn i glwb. Mae'r diddordeb, mae'r plant bach i gyd yn rhedeg ati. Mae'n llofnodi trwy'r amser, felly o ran y gwaith yna, ond hefyd i chwaraeon yn gyffredinol hefyd. Mae cael merched yn enwedig y diddordeb mewn chwaraeon mor bwysig. A mae gymnastig yn un o'r campau yna alledd unrhyw un i wneud. Dio ddim yn gamp tîm, mae o'n gamp unigol, ond camp da chi'n neud efo bobl eraill. Felly, da chi'n gallu mwynhau gymnastig ar unrhyw lefel. Hynny ydy os di rhywun yn gallu cyrraedd safon uchel, neu rhywun jyst yn mwynhau neidio fyny i lawr ar grashmat neu ar trampolin neu beth bynnag. Mae be bynnag maen nhw'n neud yn ei gymaint o wahaniaeth, a mae gweld rhywun fel Frankie. Dwi'n cofio yn ystod gemer gymanwlad rhywun yn deud pan mae'n gwneud cyfweliad, mae leotard a sequins oedd gwisg genedlaethol newydd Cymru, a mae hwnna i gyd i bod mor wych i ni.
Rhian's saying that you've changed the national costume of Wales to leotard and sequins. Fantastic. Just Rhian talking there about the work you do since stopping competing, the coaching, and are you enjoying it, the other side?
Yeah, I love it. It's so amazing, like, to be able to make a difference to what other gymnasts are doing and being actually having the knowledge to be able to pass on to them. It's really nice for me.